Today is Tuesday, July 8th. Last night we had a windstorm come through, and there's a playhouse. There's the swing set. There used to be a playhouse there. See the two shutters laying on the ground. Kind of windy out still. Over here you can see the roof to the playhouse. Over here in our neighbor's yard is one of the sections of the playhouse, which was all screwed together. The roof, the fireplace chimney, you can see where the screws were. They just ripped it all the screws right out. And then there's the threshold for the door and the two pieces of the playhouse on the other side of the street in the field. And I think there's another piece to it over there. There's a section missing to the roof. I'm not sure where that is. And then you get to the biggest damage. The garage door looks okay until you get closer. I don't know how well you can actually tell from the video, but it's all bowed out. The wind last night blew the back garage door open, which was locked. It blew it open and put such a big gust of wind in here that it bubbled the garage door. It's just completely bent up. So there's our wind damage for the storm last night. Now we're going to need a new garage door.